back with another video. Duty calls. We just wrapped up for the day, and someone just gave us a call here in Roswell, so we just decided to go ahead and come out and take care of the carpet cleaning. We have a basement. We have some slime that we might be trying to get out, and also some spaghetti spills. So let's go see what we got going, and hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. All right, let's go. Got going. Lovely house. I love their pool. We're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out for them, and let's go see on these results. All right, y'all. And yes, we do have bad news. As you can see, the slime has already dyed the carpet, dyed the fibers. It's already hardened, and if you go deep within, you see that the fibers are already blue. We got it to lighten up a little bit, but it's not gonna come out. Customer is aware. We got this to lighten up a little bit, but it's still noticeable. All right, YouTube, we all finished up. Job came out great. Customers happy. We explained and educated them on how the slime has become one with the carpet. It hardened and it bled all the way down to the bottom of the fiber, to where it's, you would have to dye it completely out or dye it back to its original color. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. And like we always say, you don't want this guy, you don't want that guy. You want the honest guys. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.